Hello guys, how are you doing? Today we are going to create a Gantt chart in Excel. So this is the planning of 3 years of my PhD thesis. So here is the data, these are the tasks, start date, end date, and then we will do the Gantt chart. So I will just copy this data here in a new sheet. So here is the data. So first thing we are going to do is calculate the duration between these tasks. So I will just this minus this start date. So it gave me 533 days for this task. Okay, now we got these. So we are going to put a step bar chart, all charts, bar and step. Okay, next we will add another duration here. Select data, add new series duration. And select this. Okay, and select the tasks also. Okay, so we need to remove this. Just uh, double click and no fill. Okay, looks good. Now we need to change the order of these tasks because the first one is literature review and thesis defense is the last. So just double click here and in this axis options categories in reverse order. Okay, done. So now we need to refine these dates. So we will copy the first date, put it here, and last date, this one, copy here. Okay, so select both of these, go here and general. So these are the numbers, the first, the start and the end date. So these are basically the days calculating from 1900. Okay, we will define this now. Double click here, copy this, copy and replace here. Okay, then you need to copy this and replace here. Okay, it's done. Now let's make it a little beautiful. So we will click here on chart design and select this one, select here and no fill. Okay, so it looks good. I will change the title. 3 years of my thesis. So it looks good from my side. So that's it. Have a good day and bye.